Hello everyone, so welcome to a new video. In this video, I will show you a quick unboxing of Ajazz AK680 mechanical keyboard. So I bought this keyboard from AliExpress in only 19 bucks. And I am super excited to share that you can get up to 80% off on thousands of products. And the best part, there is free shipping on so many items. I have got some exclusive discount codes just for you. You can find them right below in the subtitles. So don't miss out, use my code and save even more. I have also added discount codes for some of my favorite products from AliExpress just for you. Click on the custom links and start shopping. So now without wasting any further time, let's unbox this brand new gaming keyboard. Let's take a closer look at the keyboard. The Ajazz AK680 features beautiful RGB backlighting, giving you full control over the look of your setup. The mechanical switches promise precision, responsiveness, and a satisfying click with every press. Right out of the box, the AK680 impresses with its minimalist 68-key layout. It is designed to save desk space without sacrificing functionality, making it perfect for gamers or professionals who need a streamlined setup. Now let's talk about performance. The mechanical switches offer a crisp, tactile feel, perfect for precise, fast-paced gaming. Whether you are typing or gaming, the response is snappy and reliable. Plus, it is customizable with vibrant RGB backlighting, letting you set the mood exactly how you like it. However, this keyboard doesn't have per-key RGB lighting. There are plenty of color modes for the zone lighting that it has. This keyboard comes with two types of mechanical switches and a wireless model with a dual connectivity option. The switches in the wired model are not hot swappable. That means you cannot use the switch puller to remove or replace the switches. However, you can customize the keyboard by replacing the keycaps. The build quality is solid with a premium feel that belies its price point. The PBT keycaps are durable and the detachable USB-C cable makes portability a breeze. You can easily change the lighting modes, brightness, light effect speed, and light effect direction using the function key on your keyboard. Ajazz AK680 gaming keyboard is your ultimate companion for an immersive gaming experience. This sleek, compact design is packed with high-performance features, perfect for serious gamers and keyboard enthusiasts alike. With its customizable RGB backlighting, you can create the perfect gaming atmosphere that matches your style. Each keystroke feels solid and responsive thanks to its premium mechanical switches. The Ajazz AK680 is a fantastic budget-friendly option, combining aesthetics, performance, and durability. Whether you are a gamer or just need a solid mechanical keyboard, this one delivers. If you want to buy this keyboard, check the link in description. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.